Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yeah, we're tracking here still a potentially directly bullish scenario in white. However, it is on very, very thin ice. As per my previous video, we had possibly put in a local top or an intraday top. Price then moved back into support, from resistance back into support. But it requires a break below the Wednesday low, which formed at around $65,180. to indicate that we're heading down in wave C of B in blue. Again, it's always a matter of reward and risk. Up here, risk was high from a long trade point of view. Now risk is low again, right? Or at least lower. Well, it is low with a stop below the Wednesday low. But again, is it a great setup? Not really, because the move up was corrective, as mentioned in the last update. Not impulsive, because it is only corrective move up. The blue B wave top is quite likely, which means we could test the blue support area for the blue B wave, right? Between 64,480 and 61,950. There are 4 Fibonacci levels: the 100% extension, 123.6 extension, 138% extension, 161.8 extension. These are the next Fibonacci extension targets for blue wave C of B. And in this particular scenario, yeah, the price would ideally form a 5-wave move down in blue wave C before bottoming out in the support area. At least should turn around before breaking below 61,060. Why? Because that would be too deep for a B wave. It would still be valid below, but probabilities start to shift then towards more, let's say, short-term bearish interpretations. And therefore, these are the two scenarios. As long as we're holding above the Wednesday low, this here could be an ending diagonal to the upside. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. Can only be a diagonal pattern, so it's not a very, very clear setup as such. Why? Because diagonal patterns cannot be trusted. Because, you cannot at the moment distinguish between the blue count and the white one, really. Only by understanding the key levels. Because at the moment we haven't broken below support. We haven't broken below the Wednesday low. And therefore the white count remains possible. Does it mean it's a highly probable one? No, because we only have a corrective rally from the Wednesday low. And it's not, had the move up been a 5-wave move, things would be much clearer. Yeah, but it's only a 3-wave move up. So had it been a 5-wave move up, yeah, we could more directly, with more conviction, yeah, focus on higher prices. But it's only a matter of reward and risk here in this sideways range. I mean, if you look at this, the price hasn't really moved much since the middle of October, since the 15th of October. It's only been a sideways range. So what does that mean? That means at the moment I'm just watching to see if the white count gets invalidated. The bulls still have a chance. They could still turn up here, but it's on very thin ice, this white wave count, yeah? And therefore the blue count is very likely, but would require a break below the Wednesday low to confirm. In both counts, we can still overall, however, look at higher prices, either directly from here towards that white target area around 73.5K, or after completing the B wave pullback, the price could turn around and rally in blue wave C of 5, of 1, basically reaching a similar or the same target. So overall, there is not really much difference between these prices. And now that it's already late on Friday, I have to say, it could turn into another boring weekend. We will see. I mean, it's all the, it's pre-US election indecision. Shouldn't be much of a surprise. We don't see probably a very decisive move until the election results are in. That's the update about Bitcoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.